This video assumes you're already familiar with the core features of SumiLabel. If not, we recommend that you view our Intro to SumiLabel video. You can open the Generic Import tool from the SumiLabel Explorer screen by navigating to Import, then Generic Import. You'll see several options listed under the Select Data Source section, ranging from Excel and Access to SQL and text files. Make your selection. Then you can use the browser to find your file by clicking the button beside the Path field. Check First Row Contains Columns if your file has column names specified in the first row of data. Then click Connect Data Source to begin the importation process. Select the sheet name for the data you'd like to import if your file contains multiple sheets, then verify the data that's been pulled in with the Data Source Preview section, and click Next to proceed. Here on the field mapping screen, we get to assign columns of data to important attributes for the jobs to come, like the material part number, the number of copies, the printer, and the default marker length. Note that to assign a column to marker length, you must check My Data Source Contains Continuous Products. Assign the columns to the respective attributes via the drop-down menus, then click Next to start putting data on your markers. The Job Design and Data Mapping screen, like the Design Template section of the new Job Wizard, grants you complete control over the final appearance of your markers. Here you're able to modify things like the font, font size, font style, number of lines of text on your markers, and their length, which will overwrite any length already specified. You're also able to map columns of information from the imported file to text elements on your markers, just as in the Data Import Wizard, turning each entry in the selected column for a text element into a marker with that information. Use the Select Element drop-down menus to assign data to your text elements, then click into the Data Field Mapping Preview subsection to lock in your choice. Be sure to use the Job drop-down menu as well to cycle through each job in the set, verifying that their default settings and text elements are modified as needed, as well as making any desired changes to the job name. When you're done, click Finish, and choose a name for the resulting set file. Open it and double-check the imported data for accuracy before proceeding with printing or creating additional markers.